I'm going to show you how I close the client with the appointment setting process. All right. It starts right away as soon as you start talking to someone. All right. And then the guy scheduled an appointment. Then the guy show up to the appointment. And finally, I close them. All right. I'm going to show you everything. But first, in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually do the appointment setting thing. All right. How to make someone talk to you, reply to you, be interested in your services, and finally schedule a call and hop on a call with you. All right. I'm not going to show you how to close someone. I'm going to show you how to book appointments. All right. In the chat. Okay. So in my case, I'm going to give you an example of an inbound lead. So the lead already responded to my ad, and then I'm reaching out to the lead, and the lead is replying to me. And finally, the lead is scheduling. Okay. Inbound is much more easier than outbound. In outbound, you have to convince them why they should hop on a call with you. In inbound, they have already responded to your ad, so they're already interested. You just need to reply to them as soon as they come in from the ads, and you just have to talk the right way. Okay. All right. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how I talk and I schedule appointments. All right. So I'm just going to share my screen. This is go high level. Okay. So this guy came in. This is automated messages. Okay. Are you looking to get more clients? Always. Okay. Got it. We generate interested quality leads through meta ads, Instagram and Facebook, and then we guide artists and trainers on how to close them. On the call, text by taking a deposit. Okay. Have you ever tried running ads to get more clients? I have. This guy is already experienced. Okay. Understood. What we do with every artist and trainer is that we schedule a Zoom call with them to analyze their current situation and also to let them know if we can help them in getting more clients and students or not. I'd like to do the same thing for you. Would you be open for a quick Zoom call tomorrow or day after tomorrow? All right. No reply. Okay. No reply. Austin, did you get my above message? Yeah, today is not a good time for me to schedule anything. Fine. Okay. No worries, Austin. So at this point, people force or people ask question, hey, why it's not a good time? Or they force it. I texted him, okay, no worries. Fine. Okay. I'm not forcing you. I don't need you. Okay. I'm taking the pressure off him. Okay. Now, I did ask him, when do you think would you be able to schedule your appointment? Okay. No reply. All right. Then I asked him once again. I texted him from the starting. I started the conversation once again from the very starting. All right. Hey, Austin, how are you? You responded to our ads and you mentioned that you're already running ads. Would you like to see how we book appointments for the niche? Okay. Hey, sounds good. Awesome. Here's the link. And he booked. Hey, Austin, just a quick reminder our Zoom call starts in an hour at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. This is a text follow up, text reminder. Okay. Follow ups like through automations were being sent out. I sent this manually. Okay. All right. Yep. He confirmed. All right. And he accepted the invitation also. All right. So he hopped on a call. Okay. And I closed him. Now, to show you the proof that I closed him, Austin, I took the access of the ads manager and I made him pay the funds for the first week, which is $250. All right, that happened, and then we have started running ads now. All right, so this is how easy it is. Okay, to make someone to actually hop on a call. All right, that easy. Now, this was for inbound. Outbound is much more difficult. All right, I'm gonna make more videos for outbound as well. All right, but you should know the framework, what to text, how to text. Okay, most people don't know this. They text too much, they send long messages, they try to convince them, they try to close them in the chat only. No. Okay, take the pressure off. Tell them that, hey, right now we don't know if we can even help you or not, but let's try, let's schedule a Zoom call and we'll try to see if we can even help you or not, after analyzing your situation. So it's not like, okay, I can help you for sure, let's hop on a call so that we can discuss further. No. It's a bad way to tell your prospects about that. Okay, you don't know them, they don't know you, so you have to act like that. All right, it's a totally psychological process. Okay, so You just follow my scripts, okay? Don't do anything. Whatever I'm doing, just do it for inbound leads. Don't do it for outbounds unless and until you have that kind of credibility or like too many testimonials. All right. So that was pretty much it for this module. In this module, you learned how to schedule appointments via inbound leads who are coming from the ads. All right. I'm gonna see you guys in the next module.